straight. Say, would you need, could you mind, get it? Cause I see you trying, subliminally trying to see if I'm gonna be the one to say wrong. I admit it's exciting, but to me kinda like it. But before I lead you on, tell me what's your motive? What's your motive? What's your motive? So tell me what's your motive? What's your motive? What's your motive? Yeah, ay. You treat me like gold, baby. Now you wanna spoil me. Did you want a trophy or you wanna spoil me, baby? Want me on your neck, cause you wanted respect, cause you fighting some war, baby. Well, I had to bring the fists out, had to put a wall up, but don't trust phonies, baby. Yeah, you gotta tell me what's your motive, baby. Cause you got your candy on your arm, no need to sugarcoat. I lie, say what you want, I need